Hello, everyone. This is Jennifer Shaheen, the technology therapist. And today I want to show you the differences between a vanilla or plain installed WordPress backend and something that is much more customized so you can really understand the differences between hiring different WordPress development teams. So, we're going to start with one of our sites that just launched. We're very excited about it. And the reason I need to show you the front end is because it's important that you have an understanding of everything that's on here. So as you can see on this website, we have a moving home page, we have drop-down menus here, we have a dynamic navigation bar here, we have events, we have news, we have affiliates. There's a lot of content for this organization to manage and take care of on their own. So one of the things that, and as you can see, I'm kind of just jumping through, here is one of their forms. So if you have to manage a site that's fairly robust, having someone knowing how to customize WordPress can make such a difference. So here is the actual back end of that website, which happens to be built on WordPress. It was requested by the client because it is what they also run other things at the university on. Now, by default, you'll see things on your WordPress backend like posts and pages, but as you can see here, Forms is its own tab. We custom created this so that the client can very easily come here and make a new form. This is not something that comes standard in WordPress. Also, I mentioned that they have affiliates. Here is their affiliate section. We made them an entire section so that they can easily add in all their affiliates and put things on draft or not as they need them. Additionally, this website also has events. So you can see here that we have events information, and each event actually has a lot of customization. So for example, if I click on this event right here and I go into it from the back end, you'll see that it has the start date and the end date, and it has a calendar function. It has a location. It has all the things someone's going to need to manage this event. So one of the things you'll find is that if someone really strong WordPress development, they're making it very easy for the individual to manage the WordPress environment and the content, which essentially is what you're doing, is content management. So here you can see we made a tab for the event that allows that organization to easily choose what companies are participating in the event. So again, they have one area here for companies and another one for affiliates. So they just add their features here to the companies or affiliates, and then within the event, all they have to do is select which companies are going to be part of that event. So they don't have to do things in more than one place. This is what we really call a smart back-end WordPress development. You'll notice that things like this are not by default what you get with a WordPress environment. So one of the things that comes up a lot is if you're evaluating different proposals from different people, one of the things I recommend is that you ask to look at the back end. So here is another one of our sites, and I wanted to show you this one because this actually has products and it also has, you'll see, video. So from the back end of this website, we did the same thing. We made it so that the person managing the website can very easily come here and look at all the videos. They can put them into categories. Each video has its own SEO title, so it's very easy to manage. You'll also see here our products. Now this is not a website that actually sells, but it's very easy for someone to very quickly look at the product and quick edit it and move it around inside the different categories. Now, the quick edit is a default feature of WordPress, but creating these custom tabs and organizing the back-end content is what makes someone not just a good developer, but a great developer. Somebody who's really considerate about how things are going to function on the front of the website and how an everyday user has to manage this website and all its content. It makes such a difference between someone who understands WordPress and someone who knows how to make it work for you and your users and your organization. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to stop by technologytherapy.com and ask us a question at our Contact Us page, or feel free to connect with us via any social media. I hope this explains a little bit more about how the differences are between a simple WordPress installation and a more complicated and developed back end to make it easier for you, the user, to use your website.